Now let's define matrix. Matrix is only table. I type name of matrix and then I draw a table. I choose a number of rows and a number of columns. For instance, I want to input matrix with the dimension 3 by 3, 3 columns and 3 rows. I will type numbers and here is my matrix. If I want to have an access to matrix element, I should type name of matrix and then I should choose operator of index, matrix index, almost the same operator as we use in vector. But here we should input two indexes because we have first index is the number of row, for instance 0, and another index is index of column. Here it is. 1 is element number 0, 0. The last element, this element, has indexes 2, 2. From the viewpoint of matrices, vector is the matrix. Yes, the dimension of this vector is 3. 3 rows and 1 column. 3 by 1. Yes? And I can access element of vector by number here. And I can try to access to the same element as an element of vector as an element of matrix. We saw almost the same. So matrix is only table, is table. And vector is the table too, but table is the only column.